Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Saturday. So this video is a little bit of a bonus video for today. I'm going to be doing a JewlyBox unboxing for you guys. So I have done a couple of these in the past, and Katie from JewlyBox reached out again and asked me if I was interested in trying one of their new boxes, and I said absolutely. I actually wore a couple of pieces that I received in JewlyBox when I went to Vegas earlier this month, and I think the quality of the jewelry is really nice, and they have actually upped the quality of the jewelry now as well. And they have this really fun like girl boss collection, which I was kind of into. So I'm going to read you guys this little blurb on the front, and then I'll tell you how much the box is, and then we're going to go through and see what's in it, and I'm going to style it with my little, I'm just wearing a black tank dress from Old Navy. So the Girl Boss collection is centered around female empowerment, women lifting each other up and helping women unleash their inner confidence each day. We have designed a collection of jewelry accessible to women of all incomes, backgrounds, and lifestyles so they can always feel beautiful in any setting. JewlyBox has partnered with Dress for Success, and every purchase changes the life of a woman in need. So there is actually a donation that will be made to the Dress for Success organization with the purchase of these boxes. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I did get to see what the pieces look like because I did peek in here, but anyway, I'm really excited about this. I really do like the message here, and I think that Dress for Success is a wonderful organization. So I'm glad that they partnered with them. So let me give you guys the detail on this particular box that I'm going to be unopening. So this is a three-piece collection, and the three pieces are plated with 14 karat gold or rhodium plating. So whether you get the gold or the silver. So the subscription is for every other month, and it's $49.99. There is a code that they gave me to give to you guys. It's just Melanie, all capital letters. I will of course put the information down below in the description box if you guys are interested. That code Melanie gets you 20% off your first, sorry, not 20%, $20 off your first box, which is a pretty good deal. So yeah, I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and I think the pieces are really pretty. They look very simple and like great for everyday wear. So yeah, if you're interested in saving the $20, you can use the code Melanie. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get anything if you guys decide to sign up for JewlyBox. So totally up to you, but let's get into it. The box is really nice. This has a really great presentation. This would be a nice gift for somebody, especially a girlfriend if you know that she really likes jewelry. So they say get it, love it, repeat on the inside. So it is a subscription. So let's go ahead and open the first little bag here. The bags are really cute too. This is a perfect way to store your jewelry afterwards, so definitely keep this. And it looks like these are the earrings. Okay, I got the silver, which makes me happy. I actually prefer silver over gold when it comes to personal jewelry, but I have had a thing for rose gold as of late, so I do have quite a bit of rose gold actually, but silver is still kind of my go-to. So these are super cute. I'm gonna get these out of here. So this is what, sorry, I'm still getting used to having a viewfinder, and this is what the earrings look like. So let me get the other one out, and then I'm going to put them on because I'm going to wear these today. I think they're super pretty. They're very simple. So I'm going to take off my diamond studs, and let's pop this in. So these would be rhodium plated because they have the silver color. Again, if you chose the gold, then you would obviously get the 14 karat plating. The plating's kind of nice because it helps the jewelry look nicer for longer. All of my white gold pieces are rhodium plated because white gold can tarnish pretty quickly, and so when you want to make it nice and shiny again, you do rhodium plating. So I have that done every couple years to my rings, but there we go. So those are the earrings. I think those are super fun. Sorry, my hair is crazy. I'm air drying it, so. Oh, and here's Mr. Kong. Yay. Hi, buddy. He's so cute. Oh, and this is the necklace. Oh, I really like the necklace. I think the necklace is super pretty. All right, the only thing is, can I get this tag off in a fast manner? See, this is where it would come in handy to not necessarily do like a surprise unboxing and maybe plan ahead. All right, there we go. I got it. Okay, so it has these little bars on it that have little crystals, or, well, they look like little diamonds, but they're obviously fit. This is not a diamond necklace, but I really like this a lot. So I'm gonna stick this on my neck meat, as I like to say. That's the front. Ooh, it's actually really pretty from the back too, because it's got like a hammered effect. You know what, I'm gonna do that side. That looks really cool. I like that hammered effect on the back. Okay, so it's kind of a dual purpose. Oh, I really like that. Can you guys see that? Super dainty and pretty. All right, I like this. They're super fun. Oh, and there's a really pretty bracelet too. Oh, these are wrapped really well. Like, they do a very good job of putting everything in these nice individual bags that keep the things from getting tangled. So this one, let's see here. Let's see if I can get this off a little more gracefully. Oh, jeez. Come on. There we go. All right. So here it is. So there is the little bar. Again, that has the little diamonds. This also has that kind of cool, like, hammered effect on the back. That is what is on the necklace. But because of the way this is curved, I don't think I could really wear it this way, but we'll do this. And it has kind of an interesting closure in that there's a little ball that you, let's see. So you just work this little, it's awesome because you can kind of, it's a little hard to do on my own unless I'm like missing something here. Oh no, there we go. Okay, I got it, there we go. You just have to be smarter than me. So you can pull this little ball and you can wear it a little bit more loosely. It actually glides very easily, and then you have the little dangle of the tag there. But here is the, can you guys see? Oh God, I kind of piled my deodorant on this morning. I probably have clumps of deodorant under my arms, sorry. But anyway, there is the bracelet. I really like this a lot. It's really pretty. I wish I would have had this in Vegas. That would have gone well with one of my outfits for sure. Oh well, maybe for the next time. All right, those are the three pieces. I really like them a lot. I think I actually like the necklace the best. These are so pretty. That's awesome. Well, a big thank you to JewlyBox for sending this out so that I could share it with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I will put the link for where to find the subscription, all the information down below in the description box. And yeah, definitely support a great cause with the purchase of this for Dress for Success. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch today. I have to run to IKEA to get some stuff, and we're having our friends over for dinner tonight. So got a busy Saturday ahead of me. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.